Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable and disable send read receipts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and now click on apps. And now scroll down and then click on messages. After clicking on messages, you can see the option send read receipts. If you want to enable send read receipts, then simply turn this button on. Your send read receipts will be enabled. And if you want to disable send read receipts, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, your send read receipts will be disabled. So this is the way to enable and disable send read receipts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.